So all the things you've been learning so far about how to check proportions apply no matter how complex the object is. So if you take a look at our kitty friend here, you can do all kinds of proportion checks, right? The head width to the rest of the body from your view. The head width to the height of the head down the body. The head width to the whole length of the torso. The torso to parts of itself. The tail to the width of the head. The leg in the front compared to the leg in the back. And I might even start with the leg in the back. One, oh, it's like 2 because of the angle that I'm at, right? So there are all kinds of ways to check proportions here. So there are some other things that you can also try. There is an angle check that you can conduct here. And in fact, like here's the tail to the back side, right? There's the angle of the leg there to the body. So you can do some angle checking that way. So there's some angle checking, and there is a lot of negative space. So if you look at here's my drop down line negative space here. So I would look at that space between my pencil and the edge of the leg and the body and the head. And then there's a final thing that we haven't really talked about yet, and that's drawing a trapped shape. And what I mean by a trapped shape is this space in here between shapes that are stuck, like here, okay? And you can conduct proportion checks on these as well, and angle checks. So I could see like how wide is the space at the feet compared to the height, like that. I could, if I'm drawing the base, I can compare this distance to this distance. If I'm looking at this angle, there is a negative space right there that gives you a triangle. There's a negative space right there, a trapped shape. If you draw all of those trapped shapes, you will draw the kitty.